video, we're gonna play Cube Runners. And we're gonna beat Flash Flood today. So let's make our way to Flash Flood. And just so you guys know, Flash Flood's right here. Let's go. Speed run. I'm gonna try to speed run Flash Flood, guys. Might go good, guys. Oh god. Guys, I forgot one. Oh, it's right there. Guys, this might be, guys. Okay, guys, I just beat level 1 of Flash Flood and Cube Runners. And now this is level 2. And also, guys, the water does not move in level 2. So, but if you fall down, guys, send you all the way back to the lobby. If you fall, and that was a close case of falling right there. Also, if you play Cube Runners, or if you don't play Cube Runners and you want to get it, and you want like Flash Flood, this is an easy, if you know how to wall run, you can get up there like that. And then that's my last one. So now, guys, I'm on level 3. And I think that it might be this one down here. Oh, guys, and right there, I got that. Now, guys, there we go. I beat Flash Flood just like that. And that concludes it for today's video. Also, before I end it, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Bye.